Bird count locations are simply another type of monitoring station. To add a new bird count, click on the bird count icon. The first time you enter a bird count, the species list will be empty. Tap the Add Species button to populate the list. With the shortlist set, you can now start the timer. Each time you see a species, tap its line entry to increment the count. If you make a mistake, press and hold to decrement. If you see a species not on the list, press pause, press the kiwi icon, and you can add the species. Press play to continue. You also have the option of recording seen or heard. To enable this, tap the settings button and toggle the seen and heard option. When the 5 minutes is up, you will be presented with the options to add environmental conditions or to simply save or cancel. You also have the option to add historical counts. Tap the settings button and the Add Historical Bird Count.